Ready? See what we got. So I'm investigating a drainage here off of 19 just east of Stratford, Oklahoma, and I found this thing. I thought at first it was fossiliferous, but when I picked it up, it was very light, so maybe like a septarian nodule, but there's no skeleton. We're going to see what it is. It feels light. I'm not sure what I have. I don't think it's a silicon nodule, but it might be a calcite geode. It's not the right place for a real geode. Maybe it's a mud ball, but we're going to find out. And let's see what we actually got here, okay? Well, it is hollow. I don't really know what to call that. It's got some material in it. I think it's just a mud ball, a concretion. That looks crystalline right over there though, doesn't it? I don't know what to call that. It's cool though. We're going to go with a concretion. How about that? Oops. So this one's from the same location. Definitely hollow. Let's see if it's got anything in it. Now the mud balls are generally red clay. Ready? See what we got. Well, that's a mud ball of some kind. It's kind of cool, but I don't really see. Well, there's a little bit of crystallization. Oh, sorry. There's a little bit of crystallization down there. It's really cool though. I mean, the structure is just amazing. I just don't know what to call it. How cool. All right, I got another thing to cut. We're going to cut a couple other things since we're cutting. I got one more, and it's the biggest one of those things. So let's see what happens with it. All right. See what we got here. Well, it's definitely the same critter. It's definitely hollow. Feels like a, oh, you know, it feels like limestone or marl. It's got some crystals in it right there. It's very cool. I love it. I don't know what to call it. I'm going to call it an Oklahoma mud ball. Looks like a walnut, but I can see the crystals in there. I'll wash it out and we'll see if we get a little better look, or maybe some better lighting would help. It's cool though. I like it. Okay, so we've got them dried out now, and you can see the structure in there. That pointy, almost crystalline looking, and there are small tiny little reflections in there, like a little bit of calcite. I'm going with calcite crystals in there. See if I can get some sunlight back in that one. There we go. Can you see that in there? That is so cool looking. And all four of them have similar structure like this that I cut open. So I'm just going with, like I said, the mud balls, calcareous nodules. Correct me, but what do you think? It doesn't show up on camera, the sparkliness. It's very cool. Hey guys, thanks for doing this with me today and being here as we figured out what these things might be. I appreciate your time. I appreciate you being here, and hopefully I earned your subscription. If I did, hit that subscribe button. Come along with us on the next one, and we'll see what the Earth's got to show us tomorrow. Be well.